Sorry. Hello, I am discussing a very important topic in unsupervised machine learning algorithm, that is k-means clustering. Suppose I am considering one line. The line is not straight, don't mind. Okay, there is, suppose, some cluster. There is another cluster. And first things in the k-means clustering algorithm is we have to choose the centroid value. Suppose I am considering my centroid value is 2. I am choosing randomly, but the choosing centroid value, there is a process. I will tell that first of all, I choose the centroid value randomly. Suppose I am choosing, there is a one centroid value and there is a one centroid value and there is another centroid value. Okay, and we have to calculate the mean of the two distance. K equal to 2 means, k means centroid, k equal to 2 means this is one cluster and there is another cluster. This is one centroid and this is the another centroid, and we have to calculate the average or mean of the two distance, to centroid distance, and the main purpose of calculating mean is the update centroid. This point is here, and after calculating mean, the centroid will update here, and this centroid will update here. The process will happen until and unless the point will update it. Okay, and how to calculate the two distance? There is the concept is the calculating distance is the Manhattan process or the Euclidean distance formula. We will use the formula. What is the formula of the Manhattan? Suppose there is a P1 point and there is a P2 point. There is x2, y2, P1 point x2, y2 and x1. The formula of the Euclidean distance is root over x2 minus y2 whole square plus x1 minus y1 whole square. And the Manhattan distance formula is mod of x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y. Okay, and how we choose the k value, which is the procedure of choosing the k value. Suppose k equal to 1 to 20. 1 to 20. I am iterating 1 to 20 k value within the cluster. there is a cluster and I have to calculate within cluster sum of square, and this is the WCSS. Within cluster sum of square formula is the Ci plus, suppose that is Ci plus Xi whole square. Okay. In that elbow method, K value is 1 and WCSS value somewhere here. K value is 2, WCSS value is here. K value is 3, WCSS. It's abruptly decreased. The WCSS value is abruptly decreased. And it looks like an elbow. That's why the concept name is elbow method. And that point, suppose that point K equal to, WCSS equal to 3. And at that time, is that point WCSS is abruptly decreased when WCSS equal to 3. We'll consider that value in the K value. And the same process will happen. First of all, we will randomly initialized. Suppose that point decrease, abruptly decrease. That point abruptly decrease. That point is K equal to 3. That point K equal to 5. We will randomly initialize that value. Then we have to calculate the mean and update the centroid again and again until and unless the proper clustering, proper group will create. And there is another concept, torrent, that is the distance formula, how we calculate distance. There is the concept Manhattan or Euclidean. That is the maths behind the k-means clustering. I think you will understand easily.